everyone, Gabby here, and in this video we are going to cover Canvas module navigation. So in every course we have modules that we insert content in for our students to work through. It's crucial and important to not only put things in order for how we want our kids to access information, but also to train them on how you put stuff in your modules and be very intentional on what goes first. So that's very clear, and teach them, train them, and show them how to work through your course and work through those modules so that they can have success. So let's jump in and just kind of show an example of this. Here in the elementary engagement with Canvas course, the modules are set up by topic, and I'm going to just go into the introducing Canvas example. So in this module, I have the overview, which is a really great suggestion just to give students a snapshot of what this is going to cover. So you've got your basic introduction of what we're doing, what we're going to cover, some example video tutorials, and how to do what they're going to do for the assignment. Then at the very bottom of the page, there's a next button. There's also a previous button. I love to mention to my students that this next button is probably one of your best friends, so you can just start to go in order. So the next thing in that module is a discussion post. They need to watch the video, read the instructions, and post a reply. Now there's a next button again. Assignment 1, it's very clear what their instructions are. They have a rubric here, and then there's a next button. They can go to the next item, which is going to be the next module, which is identified up at the top where it says week 2 overview. So like I mentioned before, with our module organization, make sure that it's very clear, be consistent with your students, figure out what works for you in your content area, and then stick to it. Show students what things look like. Let them practice navigating your course and really try to get them to understand how your workflow works with them having access to content and learning, and then how to access discussion posts and assignments and quizzes so that they know what is consistent and what they need to do to have success.